What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ubadeiru President ka National People's Party NPP Meghalaya uba Prestone tensong ula khen kamka ya ka jingdawa banthung bujli ya Menteri Rangba da u Khasi da ka ba ong ba ka jingple jingmut ka deben long halor ka roi ka par bat ka bha ka mian jong ka Jylla ha ka jaka ban jiet jat bin rio ngam dan kam ban kun tho halor ka ne namar balei bangin dan kam ya ka jingsngau ya pher jat bin rio nga tharai bangim de banyakran yakani omde da lele ru ong uba Prestone habakran shakilat pathai ku bor hak ar pasaw trik nailur haba jubab ya jingkali halor ka jingdawa jong ka wekakin hun seng balang uba Prestone ula banjur baka e ka bakham kongsan kalong ban penthikna halor ka roi ka par jong ka Jylla bar ka bha ka miat ka deban dan hakalinti ka badai kat bang idang dan ha Meghalaya MLA ka Meghalaya ngamdan ka no ko jingsngo mano badai Menteri Rangba ulaong haba pha ya ka khubor ka bashay bo kwa satya ban shimti ya ka shuki Menteri Rangba ai ba ki brio jongi kin skotho ya kani ladap hi ong ha oi phiwan ra ya Menteri Rangba let's say na po West Bengal lani na Bangladesh lani Assam ho oi ngaru nga persya ya kata ulaong laban kedo bahadian ka jingpen kala ya ka kenhun Menteri ha ka Jylla kaseng hito hak arpuai trik nailur kalakan tho da ka shithi sha Menteri Rangba ka Jylla u Conrad ki sangma da ka bakentu ba un perkhat ban IT no ya ka shuki jong u sha unongelam narilum Khasi jaintia na ka benta ka shiteng samoy ka basa jong ka jingsen shar nalor kata kila ajing mot ru iki kerteng jong ki arngut ki sembut Menteri Rangba kata uba Prestone tensong bat uba snga balang dhar ki badai nak NPP but uba medba lingdo naka UDP.
I don't have to react anything on this because see, why should we communalize things? I think we should not talk about it. Not at all. Let our people also understand. If you say yes, you bringing in chief minister maybe from West Bengal or maybe from Bangladesh or maybe from Assam, yes, I'm also deadly against it. But as long as we are in Meghalaya, MLA of Meghalaya, I don't mind who's this chief minister. But what I wanted is to make sure that the development and the interest of the state is intact.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.